This is how to take apart and put back together a Ruger p95. And make sure there's no clip and the safety's on. So what I'm gonna do is pull it back, and hold it. And then this pen right here, on this side you put your finger right here, and you push it out. Okay. And then there's this thing inside, you push it down, and then once you're done with that, you slide it forward, and then that's how you take the top off. Next, to take out the spring, you just pull it off, and the barrel slide forward, and then you pull it up. Okay. And now how to put it together. With the barrel, and the spring, there's these two clips that go together, but you have to put it inside. So when you do that, the barrel, and then the spring. And it'll just fit right in there. Next, you wanna match up this part to this plastic body right here, and then I just slide it all the way, and then put your thumb right here and hold it. And then you put the pen through the hole. And then you slide it forward, and then you're done. And that's how you take it apart and reassemble a Ruger p95.